You guys love working that lower belly pooch. So today we have a high intensity lower body pooch workout. Alphie, are you feeling ready for this workout? Please do not poop or pee behind the scenes. You have been doing that a lot recently. Guys, if you haven't already seen, Alphie has been going through some chemotherapy, so please send him lots of love. He's actually feeling pretty all right. As you can see, he's still sleepy as normal, but he's going through some things. I've actually put a video up. I'm going to put it up right here too, so you can access it. It's all about a life update for me and Alphie as well. So guys, if you are ready for today's lower pooch workout, we're gonna get intense, we're gonna do some cardio, and we're gonna target that lower pooch. Alphie, are you ready? Yay! Oh my goodness, Alphie has turned into Penny. Penny, you are literally matching my shorts. You look amazing. All right, are you ready to do this workout? Okay, let's get going. So, all right, we have got 40 seconds on, 20 seconds of rest. First exercise we're gonna go straight into it. We're taking to repeaters, one side at a time. Let's get that heart rate up and pull that core in nice and tight. You can tell that Penny is not a massive fan of cardio. Well, actually she is. She actually is the one that loves going for walks. Alphie, we managed to get down halfway through the street and he's like, no, I'm ready to come back. Which type of person are you? Are you Alphie or are you Penny? Are you like, hey, I love the cardio stuff? Or you're like, you know what, I just like to lift some weights and do some body weight stuff. Let me know, are you an Alphie or are you a Penny? All right, here we go. We've got 15 seconds right here. Let's get that heart rate up. Let's send some positive vibes through our body today. Getting that exercise in, pulling that core in nice and tight. You've got this. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, come to the center of your mat. Let's just take a nice breath in together. Inhale through your nose. Give yourself a little smile at the top. Exhale everything out. And we're gonna get fired up through this 8 minutes. That's all it is. And I'm gonna be announcing the winner of our giveaway at the end. So let's take it over to the other side. Pull that core in nice and tight. And we're gonna run it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, here we go. That's it. Pull that core in nice and tight. Bring those arms in and squeeze them through. You're doing so good. We're just gonna keep on going, 8 minutes. You can do anything for 8 minutes. You're gonna get a 20-second rest in between. We're gonna do cardio stuff. We're gonna really work that lower pooch area. Remember, you cannot target fat and you're gonna actually lose weight mostly by nutrition. The exercise is gonna help, but it is 20% fitness, 80% nutrition, but guess what? It's 100% your mindset. Let's go for it. Come on, run it through for 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, and give me one more, and squeeze. All right, come to the center of your mat. Take a nice big breath in. Inhale through your nose, and exhale everything out. You're gonna come to the top of your mat. You're gonna take it into a forward lunge with a knee tuck. So you're gonna forward lunge right here, and then you're gonna bring that knee in, and then take it all the way back, okay? So all the way back right here, and then pull that core in nice and tight, and squeeze. 3, 2, 1, let's go all the way back and then squeeze that core nice and tight. Engage that core muscle, working on that stability. Here we go, and pull it in. Yes, all the way back. Working on that balance and squeeze. Nice work. Extend that leg back a little bit further. Now push down in that front leg and pull that core in nice and tight. Working on that balance with every single rep. All the way down and squeeze. Yes. Nice work, everybody. Inhale and exhale. Get that balance. Focus on something in front of you. Remember, where focus goes, energy flows. If you're focused on the negative things, you're going to get more of the negative. If you're focused on the positive things, you're going to get more of the positive. Bring those arms. Drop those shoulders for 3, 2, and 1, and release. Okay, we're coming all the way down to the ground and taking into some fun flutter kicks. Goal here though is to not bring your back off the ground. And yes, I'm gonna remind you every single time. So bring those legs up to the sky, tuck those hips underneath, and now think about someone just like driving that belly button in towards your spine, and then you're gonna just take these flutter kicks right at the top. We're gonna all start here. I'm gonna slowly take it down just an inch or 2 at a time. Relax the head on the mat, relax your shoulders, relax the hands. Here we go. We're gonna keep on moving. Each single rep that you do, it all counts. And what we wanna do is we want to look at how far we've come since this time last year. So often we just look at like, what did we do yesterday? Or what did we do last week, right? And it's just so important to go, where was I this time last year? And actually tracking your progress for 365 days and not just what happened yesterday or last week. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, you're gonna come up onto your front. We're gonna do some mountain climbers. Oh yes, a great exercise, working that core, also getting that cardio in at the same time. Bringing those hands straight down, come up, get that nice straight line, lean forward just a little bit, and we're gonna bring those knees in towards your chest. Modified version, you're gonna come down into your knees, and here we go. 40 seconds is right here. Now keep this rhythm, just breathe. Now look down at your mat, get yourself in the zone, and just keep this momentum going. Bringing the knee in towards the chest, pushing your hands down into the ground. Here we go, come on, you've got this all the way through. You can do anything for 20 seconds. You're already halfway there. That's it, come on, keep pulling that core in nice and tight. Breathe through it, and here we go, come on. Bring that knee in a little bit closer towards your chest. You have got just 10 seconds. Keep this momentum, keep this nice steady pace for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, and gently come down. All right, twist out those wrists. Remember, you're feeling it a little bit more in your wrists. You can always bring the fist or make it into, bring 2 weights and bring them straight out in front of you. All right, we're gonna take it into a full sit-up with your legs lifted up. So it looks a little bit like this. Bring your legs here, all the way up, and then just hold. So extend those legs out, nice and low, and then pull that full sit up, bring it here. Modified version, arms over the top of your head, and then bring it all the way up right here. So extend those legs, keep them here, breathe, and lift up. To make it even more challenging, keep those legs straight. So bring it up. Ooh, can you feel that lower body working? Oh yes. That lower pooch, lifting up through the chest. Here we go, all the way down. Pull that core in nice and tight. Lifting up through the chest. Nice big breath in. Nice big exhale out. Come on, hold it there. Squeeze. You've got this. Get this momentum. Pull up that core nice and tight. Dropping those shoulders down. You've got this. Come on, find that extra grit. You've got this for 3, 2, give me 1 more. And hold, and release. Okay, coming back onto your front, we're gonna take it into some planks, side, forwards, and backwards. Oh yeah, side, side, forwards, and backwards. So come down to the ground. Modified version, you're gonna stay onto your knees, or make it a little bit more challenging, come up onto your toes. Make it even harder, bring your hands apart right here. We're gonna come up, we're gonna go 1, 2, forwards, back, and then take it through the other side. That's it, forwards and back. So dip to the sides. Each time that you dip, you're gonna change. Dip, dip, that's it, pull that core in nice and tight, forwards and back. Here we go, woo! Well done everybody. Come on, let's keep this momentum going. I'm gonna announce the winner after this next exercise, so don't go anywhere. You wanna find out who it is and how you can enter our next giveaway. All right, 15 seconds to go. Breathe through it. Hip dip from side to side, forwards and back, dip, dip, you've got this, come on, feel that strength, push through it with every single rep for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release down. All right, shake out those arms, we're gonna come all the way onto the back, our very first final exercise, and then we are gonna take it into a little bit of a stretch as we give out our winner. All right, here we go, we've got straight bicycles, arms over the top of your head, so all the way down, bring those knees in, arms over the top of your head, straight bicycles right here. So just extending that leg out, bring those arms up over the top of your head. Make it a little bit easier, bring your hands straight in front of you right here. The more that you bring your arms down, the harder it's gonna be because your back is gonna wanna come up off the ground. So you gotta engage that core even more. Tuck those hips under, breathe in through your nose, exhale everything out, give yourself a smile. Come on, you've got this, do not quit now. Every single rep right here is gonna make the difference. Bring those arms a little bit higher over the top of your head. Bring those legs down just a little bit lower. Bring those knees further away from you. Pull that core in even more. That's it. You've got this. Inhale and exhale for 3, 2, 1, and release. All right, as we stretch it out, who's ready to find out who our winner is for our giveaway? We posted it in another workout that we did. We're gonna be doing more. But as you come all the way down to the ground, let's just stretch out that core, bring those hands underneath, squeeze those elbows in, lift all the way up, feel that stretch. And as you do, take a nice big inhale. Oh, and as you exhale, come down, push those hands into the mat, and then stretch all the way up. And here we go. Drum roll. The winner for our giveaway, you're gonna get a goodie bag from us, is Maleda. Maleda, thank you so much for being part of our amazing community. We appreciate you. We appreciate your love, your energy, and your great vibes that you are putting here into our incredible audience community. All right, guys, make sure that you check out the rest of my workouts. If you're like, hey, that 8 minutes, it just went so fast, I want more, go check out the BTES app with Rebecca-Louise. You can get it on iOS, desktop, and Android as well. And they've got full-length workouts in there, tracks your progress, does loads of other cool things as well, and you are gonna love it. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Great job working out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.